Hi, my name is Emily Summers. I'm with Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. I'm here to welcome you to 4827 Twin Shadows Road in the beautiful Stone Creek Golf Course community. I live, work, and play in this community. I am in love with this house. It has a great floor plan with lots of different areas for privacy. You'll notice when you're in here, it has really high ceilings, deep moldings throughout the home. The kitchen is light and bright, has gourmet style appliances. I can't wait for you to see it. Come on, let's start our tour.